Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will see how to make a very simple micro crochet earrings. So we would need pearl cotton thread of size 8 and 1 mm crochet hook and some earring hooks, loops, pliers to attach the earrings to this pattern. So let's get started. Begin with the magic ring and make a chain 3. Now this chain 3 will be considered as the first daisy of this round. So now we have to make 19 daisies into this magic ring. And in total we will have 20 daisies. That includes the very first 3 chains as well. Okay, now that we have done 19 daisies into the magic circle, finish this round by making a slip stitch on top of the third chain at the beginning and pull the loose end to shrink the center of the magic circle. So now let's continue with round 2. For round 2, start with a chain 3 and you have to make one more chain. So there's a total of 4 chains and then make 1 DC into the very next stitch, which is on top of the DC from previous round. Followed by chain 1 and make 1 DC into the next stitch. So this is the pattern we're going to repeat all throughout this round. So now I'm going to complete this round by making a slip stitch into the third chain at the beginning. So that's how the round 2 looks like. Now let's continue with round 3 by making 3 chains. And this is considered as the first DC and make a DC into the next chain 1 space and then another DC on top of the DC from previous round. And now make a DC into the next chain 1 space. So continue making a DC in chain 1 space as well on top of the DC stitches In total we should be having 40 DC stitches at the end of this round. We finish this round by making a slip stitch into the third chain at the beginning. And now let's continue with round 4. Make chain 1 and 1 SE into the same spot, the same stitch. Make 1 SE into the next stitch. And now make chain 3 and make a single crochet into the next stitch. And make another single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3 and make 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. This is our first single crochet and followed by another single crochet. Then make chain 3 and you just have to repeat this pattern all throughout this round. Complete the round by making a slip stitch into the last stitch. Make chain 1, pull up the loop, cut the yarn. Now let's work on hiding the loose end at the flip side. You can trim the excess yarn. Now let's attach the hook to the earring. So to stiffen this earring pattern, we can use one part of starch and one part of water mixed together, and dip this pattern in that mix and let it dry for about 12 hours, and that will give you a very neat finish. So however, it is optional because this itself is pretty. I hope you guys like this tutorial and thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends and family. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.